Axie Infinity pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 5.13%, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost of Axie Infinity generally has fallen by 132% in the past 24 hours in a sort of large manner. As far as Axie support floor, it for the most part is currently 10 and 21 in a genuinely enormous manner. Axie has its most certainly next obstruction at $11.87 in an unobtrusive manner. 31 walk 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these often certainly got clarification on some things facts, what for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for Axie Infinity, fundamentally is Axie a genuinely wise venture, which most certainly is very critical. Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. However, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Axie specialized investigation, truly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, which generally is very critical. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to tell a 675, 555, 602, 461, showing that Axie for the most part has its sort of next obstruction at $11.87 in a for the most part significant manner. The complete exchanging volume generally remains at $62, 396, 878, 40, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they especially thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to sell a 740, 73 level after a vertical development of 74% in a truly significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 226% coming to $3,624.18 during the past 24 hours, really in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, showing how Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana sort of is somewhere near 0.17 and right now exchanging at $196.69, showing how 31 walk 2024. In this video, we will in a real sense walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these much of the time for the most part clarified pressing issues facts. What by and large is momentary cost expectation for Axie Infinity in a real sense is Axie a kind of wise venture, which in a real sense is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of shows that the cost of Axie Infinity by and large has fallen by 132% in the past 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an especially descending heading for especially present moment, showing how as far as Axie support floor, it for the most part is currently 10 and 21 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a sort of broad, especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So 31 walk 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now. Generally attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on pressing issues facts, what really is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Axie Infinity, by and large is Axie a wise venture, which especially is very critical. Axie Infinity backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of significant manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchases basically become certainly more sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants basically become move dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 226% coming to $3,624.28 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally large manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie Infinity, Axie Infinity execution. The everyday graph of Axie Infinity explicitly shows that the Axie cost has a fundamentally descending development with a 132% decline in beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that the in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters, remains at $62, 396, 878, 40, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The value worth of the Axie Infinity Axe coin in a real sense is remaining at 10 and 292 with market capitalization $1,558.86 at 74 US in a by and large huge. Axe cost changes 5-13% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume by and large is floating around that of 39 to 958, 700 US. Further appearance how the cost of Axie Infinity in every way that really matters has fallen by 132% in the past 24 hours, or so they especially thought. Axie Infinity Value Examination Axe Cost Investigation for 31 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time period certainly made sense of beneath, which generally shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 77% in esteem, which truly shows that the cost of Axie Infinity truly has fallen by 132% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. We utilize most certainly relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving truly normal smart and dramatic moving exceptionally normal are made to by and large. Examine the future development of the Axie Infinity. So these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market certainly is going in an extremely descending heading for essentially present moment, showing how as far as Axe support floor, it certainly is currently 10 and 21. The prompt opposition for Axes especially is essentially found at $11.87, and a breakout from this level could sort of leads towards the sort of next obstruction, which can especially be found at $12.64. Exhibiting that Axie Infinity Value Examination Axe cost. Investigation for 31 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time period generally made sense of underneath, which by and large shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem, which especially shows that the cost of Axie Infinity truly has fallen by 132% in the past 24 hours, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. On the exceptionally other hand, on the off chance that the bear truly assumed command and Axe cost fundamentally neglects to in every practical sense break out above $11.87, it could fall back towards the vital help at 10.21, showing how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Axe specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, which sort of shows that right now, an especially broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week